Hello students, welcome to the world of chemistry. This is Dr. Vikram Panchal and I'm dealing with wave mechanics for chemistry. This is lecture number 8. In this lecture, I will explain you what is operator. So by definition, we can say that the mathematical process for carrying out the derivation involves the concept of operators. So this is what operators means. It is basically a symbol. So an operator is a symbol for a certain mathematical process. Which transforms one function into another or one value to another value. We have used operators since childhood, but we do not know whether they are called operators or not. For example, if I write 6 and 6, what is the answer? And you will get confused. Why? Because this is meaningless. This is meaningless. It has no answer. Okay? But the moment I put this sign between these two, then you will write solution 36. So what is this? It is the sign of multiplication. That means whenever you see cross sign between two figures, you understand that you have to multiply these two numbers. Okay? And this is nothing but operator. Okay, and you know that we use different signs for different kind of operations. Suppose with the same numbers, if I put this sign, the answer will be 0. That means this is the sign for subtraction. Okay, so it is a sign of subtraction. So when we carry certain operations like subtraction, addition, multiplication, division, etc., then we use certain operators. So these signs are nothing but operators. Okay, I hope you understand what is the meaning of operators. Okay, this is very, very important. Now, here, in case of in wave mechanics, we use different kinds of signs. So the operator, as for example, the operator of evaluating the derivative with respect to x is represented by the symbol del by del x. So when this procedure is applied to the function x raised to n, we obtain a new function as. So let us see how we apply this. Del by del x raised to n is equal to a new function is n into x raised to n minus 1. Okay, so this is operator functions. This is operator. This is a function. X raised to n is a function. And here we have a new function or another function. Okay, so the function on which the operation is carried out is known as operand. Is known as operand. That means x raised to n in above equation is an operand. Okay, so x raised to n becomes operand. An operator is written with a symbol. I'm writing this symbol in bracket. This type of symbol is used for operator and this is called overhead. So on overhead we will put this symbol that shows that it is operator. Okay, now we will carry different kinds of operations with operators. So first of all, let us take addition and subtraction. Of operators. Even we can carry addition subtractions of operators also. Okay, so if A overhead symbol indicate that this is operator and B are two different operators, then new operators A plus B and A minus B can be defined as A plus B overheads function is equal to AF plus BF. or if it is A minus B, subtraction of two operators function, then it is AF minus BF, where F is operand. Okay. Now we will see multiplication of operators. Suppose consecutive operations with two or more operators on a function may be called multiplication of operators. Means BF is equal to F dash, and if AF dash is equal to F double dash, then we write A B F is equal to F double dash. Directly we write this one. Or if it is A into A F, then it will be A square F. Okay. So this way we can carry multiplication of operators. In case of commutations, let us see this one. Commutators means those who are going and coming out and in. That is why they are called commutators. Using any two operators, A and B, it is possible to construct a new operator for example AB minus BA called commutator of the two operators. For example, if we write A, B function, then we write A as a constant and B as operations, or it is equal to B as constant, A into F. Okay, where here A, operator A and B usually written as A, B. If these two operators commute, then AB is AB is equal to A into B minus B into A, which is always 0. Why? Because A into B is equal to B into A. That is why. Okay, and therefore this commutator means the multiplication with 0. Okay, this commutator means the multiplication with 0. So this is all about operators in this lecture. Thank you so much.